Hey y'all, I'm Rhonda. Welcome to my kitchen. Today, y'all, we throwing it back again. Imagine that, to the 1970s. It was a good era.
Yeah.
That's when me and James Russell came about. Not till 72, but this little recipe has been around for a really long time. That's what I'm trying to tell you. And I had a little subscriber say, hey, could you make some apricot chicken? So this is what we're going to do, y'all. Now, the original little recipe was only 3 ingredients. This little onion soup, and I got the off brand. It tastes good. Some apricot preserves and Catalina. Now, some people use French, but Catalina was supposedly the original. So that's what we're going to do. So I am going to add a little something to it. Surprise, surprise. I'm just going to add some pepper and onions. I thought that'd be good. So, Russell's like, yep, I think that'll be good too. And so I'm just going to go ahead and just throw those in the bottom of my dish. Now, I just got a little dish here, y'all. Now, you can do whatever kind of chicken you got. I'm doing some chicken. I'm doing some boneless, skinless chicken thighs, okay? And I'm just going to spread them out like that. So I've just got 1 green pepper. I wish I had red. I do like the red bell pepper. And the sweetness and all, it would go really well with this. But we got green. We're going to use what we got. And I've got 1 whole Vidalia onion.
Sweetie.
Sweet onion. Now I'm going to just season this just a little bit with a little salt and pepper on the bottom. There. And maybe a little garlic powder. And you could put garlic in this too, y'all. It'd be real good, whatever you want to do. Make it your own, right?
That's right.
A little salt. Just a little bit. Now, this stuff has a little sodium in it, so I'm probably not going to add more to my chicken. Just put a little more pepper on it or whatnot. But, you know what? I forgot a bowl to mix all this goodness in. Let me grab a bowl. All right, now I got my life together. We gonna try again. All right, I'm just going to go ahead and put my little chicken thighs in there, y'all. Nothing fancy. Like I said, I got the boneless, skinless, and that's what we gonna use. Now you could even do your you can do some chicken breast, and even cut them in pieces. You can, if you use the chicken breast like they make today, honey, I'd pound them out just a little bit. That helps with the cooking process. And anyway, we're just going to lay these just like so. And get these on here. Now, yes, this is a lot for me and James Russell, but we are going to have leftovers this week. Y'all know I work hard through the week. And he does real well feeding me through the week, y'all. He smokes stuff and does. But anyway, it's always nice to have some leftovers, right?
It is.
Always.
Yep.
So, now.
Makes things easy.
Yes, it really does. And to come home and you know you already got supper pretty much planned and no surprises. And I filled this up to the top. Let's see if I can get in here. Oh, yeah. So 1 cup of the Catalina. Spreading it around. Got my little spatula here, not the waste. Get it all nice and clean. Got on the side. Alright, now 1 cup of the apricot preserves. Yummy goodness in that. That come out pretty good.
Curious to see what this tastes like.
You've never had it, huh?
No, I haven't.
Well, how about
The
that?
apricot and Catalina together seems like it would
Yes.
be tangy and sweet.
You will see.
Yeah.
And then some onion soup pack. We'll see what it's about.
Yeah, I'm curious. No, I never had this. I don't think.
Okay.
I can't remember.
I've not had it much,
Yeah.
but I have had it. And it was good. It was good. And like I said, we had somebody say, hey, could you please make this?
And hey, I like it.
Yes,
I love it.
I
Y'all
love
keep
it. I
keep
do.
keep doing what you're doing, sending us
I
stuff. We
love
love doing
the
this, right?
suggestions. I
Yeah.
do.
Yep.
I think I'm going to just go ahead and put a little pepper. Whoops, not that side. I put a lot more than just a little pepper on the top. And let's see. It's not got too much salt or anything, so I'm just going to give it a little drizzle of salt there, just a little hair. All right, we got this mixed up. This is what it looks like. Yummy, yummy. Got those little bits of onion in it there.
Looks good.
Looking good. And y'all, you can't get no easier than this, right? Just putting it right together, and this would go great also in a crock pot for you working mamas out there. You can throw it in a little crock pot on low, or set your timer, whatever. But this is just a dump and go, and honey, I love that. Now I do have my oven set at 350 degrees. Look at that goodness. 350 degrees, and it's going to bake until the chicken's ready, which is normally about 45-50 minutes. You want your chicken to be at least 165 degrees, and so that's what we're going to do. We're just going to get all this covered, honey. Give all these little pieces of chicken some love. Ain't going to leave nobody out. We don't like to do that, do we?
Nothing left behind.
Nothing, no. I like every part of the season. Don't pick something up and say, well, good Lord, ain't nothing on this, and this little feller got missed. Y'all, so simple. I'm just going to move it around too, so that onion and those little bell pepper get coated. The bottom's coated. All the things. Now, I am going to just stick this in the oven and let her rip for about 45 minutes, and then I'll check it. And I'm going to make just some white rice to go with this, and maybe a vegetable on the side. Easy peasy. So let's get to cooking this. Alrighty, y'all, here it is. Took about an hour, and it's all swimming, honey, in that little goodness. It's got its own little juice there. Yummy, yummy.
Looks good to me.
Got us some rice made. You ready to give it a try, James
I am.
Russell?
I'm curious. I'm very excited.
All right. Let's do it. James Russell, you're up.
I'm excited, y'all. Apricot chicken.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Make sure I get some of this goodness on it.
Yeah, all that goodness.
A little bit of rice with it.
Gotta get everything all in one bite.
Wow.
It's hot.
This is exactly how I envisioned it.
Did you
Yeah.
now?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
A little sweet.
Yep.
And a little tang. It's perfect.
Yep. A little savory with the chicken.
That's fantastic.
Mm-hmm.
Man, that is great flavor.
It is, isn't
It
it?
is.
And y'all see how fast it was thrown together.
Man,
Quick.
tender. That chicken's tender.
Quick, yes. And you can use whatever chicken you got. And honestly, if you have like even if I'd have cut these in pieces, it'd cook quicker. Or if you had chicken breast cut in pieces or whatever, quick.
Fantastic.
Simple supper.
Man,
Good.
great flavor.
Mm-hmm.
Great flavor.
And the little onions and the bell pepper adds to the flavor.
Yep.
Yes, it does.
Oh yeah.
And like I said, I was going to do like red, but it's sweet enough with the green. I mean, it's sweet enough. I like the little red pepper because it gives it just a little sweetness, but didn't need that.
No, the apricot's very sweet.
It's sweet enough. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I think the flavors match perfect.
Yes, it really does.
Yeah, real good.
And just think they were doing this in the 70s, honey.
Well, they knew what was up because it's
Oh.
fantastic.
Just putting it together.
I'm about to tear this up. It's
Uh-huh.
gonna be a good supper.
Supper time. But you know, it was an hour, and my thighs was kind of thick. Now, if you got bone in or whatever, and everybody's oven's different, but it may have been under an hour.
Yeah.
You know, it was probably fine at under an hour. But anyway, it's good, y'all, and you can put over rice. You can put over, I guess you could do potatoes.
Yeah, it'd be
I
good
don't
over cream
know.
potatoes or home,
Yeah.
whatever
Whatever you wanted.
Yeah, all kind of different things. Yeah.
Yes, it is. But good stuff, y'all. It really is. And I hope my little subscriber that asked for it, I hope you're going to be happy with this one. But simple, easy, and like I said, you don't have to add the onions and the peppers. It could just be a 4-ingredient kind of situation.
Fantastic.
Yes, you didn't need a whole lot. But and you could do it in the crock pot. Honey, you can do this all kind of different little ways. But it's good, it's quick, it's easy, and we're about to get down with it.
Yep.
Right?
That's right.
All right, y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching, for everything you do for us. We're so grateful. And y'all, thank y'all for hyping and running over to Facebook and follow us over there. We've had some new faces over there, so thankful for that. And until next time,
Peace.